Good morning, YouTube world. So we're here at 8th Street, and that's the place. This is also NYU, and I've been dying to do the Manhattan side. You know that I do art, I do music. So 8th Street, and I haven't done art in a while. So the train messed up. So I figured, you know what? Let me do this. Let me do this right now. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Let's see what we can find. Find on the walls. I mean, this is pretty interesting art. Good morning, excuse me. Thank you so much. Look at this, people. It's absolutely beautiful. It's mosaic in glass. But they never put the name of the artist. And I've been dying, like I said, I've been dying to do this. I gotta move people out of the way at times. The train left up this morning. I went to this station. So I figured that I'll do this, and I'll just be a little. I can actually walk to work from here, but I'm not. That's absolutely beautiful artwork. Let's see if there's anything out here. They never put the name of the artist in these things. And here's the end. This is 8th Street, NYU. And YouTube world, you all have a great day.